Millions of ideas out there. Almost, you talk to anyone, instantly they can come up with 10 ideas to start something, right? So millions of ideas out there. Um, Out of these, hundreds of startups get started every single month or even day, right? Globally. Out of these hundreds of startups, probably one, right, gets to become that successful startup, either standing on its own legs or a successful exit. So why is that, right? Like, what's so different about that one idea that event out of millions of them that eventually became, that hugely successful business? What's so different about that idea, right? Luck. Of course, there is luck, and I've spoken about this in one of my other videos. I'll post a link to that video. It's all about increasing the surface area of luck, right? So, of course, luck is important. Persistence, of course, persistence is a no-brainer, is a given, right? You have to persist, probably for years together, right? Decades in some cases, in many cases, before you get to see that success, right? And all this is against all odds, like no light at the end of the tunnel, right? Keep taking those hits, and you have to persist against all, like there's no assurance, right? So you have to persist, of course. Passion. Of course, I mean, you cannot persist, right, or persevere if you don't have passion, if you're not passionate about what you're doing, right? This is, it's almost, inching on craziness, right? You have to have this insane amount of passion, and this is all you can think of every single day. Is what will take you to that, and be able to kind of persist for years together, take all the blows, and eventually see that success. Of course, you have to be passionate. So, how can you find that passion? How can you find that one idea that you're so passionate about, right? So today's video is about that. How do you find your passion? Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Inside the Minds of Successful Startup Leaders. Let's find out how do these successful founders and leaders think and execute that makes these startups successful against all odds. So today's topic is very interesting. How do you find that one idea that where you're so passionate that you kind of can, spend the next 10 years, 20 years of your life without getting bored with, and taking all those hits? Like, how do you find that passion for that one idea? How do you find that idea, right? That you're passionate about. So that is simply put, it's curiosity, right? So like they say, don't work on, don't chase passion. Um, Figure out what are you curious about, right? That's the trick. So it's simply, if you go look at all those successful entrepreneurs, they have been, I mean, like, look at their history. They have been dabbling into many things, right? And they're these tinkerers who are extremely curious about the world around them, about the new things. They question the status quo. They kind of, anything new comes up, they're very curious in their own domains, of course. They're very curious and they tinker with stuff, and that's how they find their mojo, if you want to call it that, right? And it's about being extremely curious, right? It could be anything. Like, just pick up anything, right? It could be any domain, it could be any tool, it could be anything for that matter. uh, you want to try your hand at coding, I mean, just go do it, right? You wanna, are you curious about what's happening in the EV space, the electric vehicle space? Just go figure that out, right? Um, it could be anything. I mean, Web 3.0, NFTs. Just, you know, does that does do any of these things pick your curiosity? That's all it is, right? So can you be extremely curious in domains, in things that that you like, just try it out, right? So now that you know the trick, it's all about being curious. So read up stuff, just go meet people, take some action, right? And it's okay to go midway and then probably figure out that, hey, you know what, this is not really exciting. But be curious. Curiosity is all it takes to finally find that, from that one idea, and then take it all the way to becoming this successful startup. So guys, if I have to summarize, here's how I would stack this. Curiosity, become curious, leads to finding that one idea that you're passionate about. And since you're so passionate about it, you can persist and persevere for years, decades, and take all those hits. And finally, you move towards being that successful startup. So, hope this was helpful. Happy to help. I've been helping, mentoring hundreds of startups. I've been an angel investor. I've been an entrepreneur. I've raised venture capital. Have close to about 20 years in technology and building products. First 10 years built products for, I've been building, built products for $5+ billion. Last 10 years I've been building products for, startups. So happy to help. Hit me up on LinkedIn, on Twitter. DMs are open. Happy to help in whatever ways I can. All the best.